Ni mĩario ya minista wa githomo George Maghoha hindi ya kuhingura irathi 7 cia mutaratara wa githomo wa CBC icigo-ini cia Kabete na Kikuyu kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, akiuga arutani na maafitha borithi aria makuruhanitio na mahitia ma wuici wa igeranio nimegukorwo makiherithio ringi ni kamiti ya guthurima mitugo thengia wa mahitia maria mekunyitikana namo igoti-ini.
Now that they have been arrested, the full force of the law will follow its course. And then, of course, in addition to the administration, if you are a teacher, the Teacher Service Commission will have 1 or 2 things to say. And if you are a policeman, in addition to the law, the Police Service Commission may have 1 or 2 things to do. So I would not be the right person, but all I can tell you is that we are telling the public that if you are a teacher who is cheating in exams, we don't need you. You can go elsewhere.
Akiaria ri thukuru-ini wa secondary wa Kanyariri augite honge ciothe iri cemba gutigirira gutire na wici wa igeranio na oho no gugakorwo na wigiririki hari umaki wa igeranio ici.
Thank our security agencies together with my brother Dr. Fredo Kengo Matiangi and Joe Mucheru and my sister Dr. Nancy Mechari of the Teacher Service Commission, together with all the other state security agencies that are working towards this examination, that I think by the grace of God we have delivered the first week. We shall now focus toward the second week. And of course after the second week, you know, all the important papers, we usually have high stakes for the crooks will have been done.
Ihinda-ini oro riu augite mehaririria ma igeranio cia muthia wa mwaka uyu iria igekwo muthia-ini wa mwaka ni marikiriru guku akiuria ateti kwaga kuhura uteti na githomo.
Exam that shall be done in November, December, the KCSE exam that shall be done in November, December is already printed and ready and secure. So people should not listen to too much noise about it. Let the politicians do their work. I only wish they would do it with some form of decorum, where they with less noise, but they should also allow us to keep on working.
Kameme TV githie na mbere na gukuguriria maria maregariura kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Wanjiku.